Hello guys, this is Yundel again. Today I want to share with you from the book, The Secret, The Law of Attraction. You have a partner. Guys, many of us complaining, I am alone, I am single, I am alone in this place. No, really guys. As I go along in my training, I want to be better with my public speaking. I am working with myself. This is about self-development. And it is about acknowledging, be aware that you have a partner. Really guys, do you know that each and every one of us have a partner? Guys, I encourage you to read the book, The Power of Now, The Secret. And there are many books I needed to learn. I needed to read and share it with you. But at the moment, one of my mentors said, when you cannot understand this law of attraction, you cannot move forward. Learn it, accept it, apply it with yourself, meditate it, understand the whole process that you are not alone. We are all have partnership with the law of attraction. We attract anything in our life. We love somebody, we like somebody, we love the place. I like this place. We are the one attracting what we want in our life. Yes, you have a partner in this universe. It is written, each and every one of us has a partnership with the law of attraction, and it is within you. It is in your life, and we are not aware about it. Many of us not aware about it. Guys, therefore, it's okay that you are going to talk with yourself. It's okay. Wherever you are, acknowledge that there is something beside you, that there is somebody talking with you, guiding you day after day. What you want, what your wish, what is your goal in life, how to accomplish your dreams. Acknowledge that you are not alone in this earth. Acknowledge that God give you a partnership with the law of attraction. We are the one attracting what we want in our life. Therefore, we have these feelings of wishes. We wish, we want, we love because of the law of attraction. We must attract them to have it in our life. And our thoughts is very powerful that we can create the thoughts and apply it in our life. Thoughts, visualize it, believe it, and have the feeling of having a certain thing, a certain person you want in your life. If you want to have a partner, if you want to have a husband, you must write what quality of a person you want to be with, which matches with your own life, with your own situation, with your own personality. You know who you are. Then write it down. The power of writing, declaring it, documenting it, what is in your mind, writing it, what you want, what kind of partner you want in your life. You are writing it, you are visualizing it, and you are attracting that right person will come to you. Guys, I am sharing with you. I am not perfect. I have my own weaknesses, but I am sharing with you what I am reading in this life journey. So maybe it enlightens your mind that you are not alone. Each and every one of us have partner in this life. So therefore, we must be aware. I am aware, guys, when I am driving out there in the dark. Every night, I am driving, picking up my son to the gym, and it's dark. We live in a countryside. There's no light. by the road here in the province. It is dark. Supposed to be I am scared. Before I always scared. I am alone. I don't like to be alone. And notice it. Acknowledge it. Be aware that you are not alone. Someone in the universe is always with you. You are in partnership with the law of attraction. It says here, guys, you create your own thoughts. You create your own feelings, and no one others but you who think, who feels, who can apply it in your life. It is your life, and you are the one creating it. Through our feelings and thoughts, there, our partner, the law of attraction, is working in us together with our subconscious mind, creating that good, positive thoughts. But guys, it says here, you can never ever lie with your subconscious mind and with the law of attraction, because what you feel is real, and you can never lie. You can pretend in some certain way, but still it always comes out because it doesn't work with your life. If you are lying with yourself and you are in partnership with the law of attraction, it doesn't work. How much you wanted this person, how much you wanted this thing, how much you wanted to reach the goals and dreams in your life, it will not work if you are not honest with your feelings. It's through our thoughts and feelings. The true feelings, when you are working, acknowledging yourself, working with your feelings, what you want, what you need to accomplish in this life, you must be honest, because you can pretend, but you cannot lie with your partnership with the law of attraction. It says here. So we must feel, we must inspire ourselves, we must be real and authentic in our feeling, so the partnership will work out, because they are there. Our partner is there all the time. It says there, our partnership with this law of attraction in this universe, it's there all the time around us. Therefore, it is okay you are going to talk. It is okay you are going to voice it out. Therefore, there is power in your own words. As your partner listen to you, they are there to help us. But we are the one who will create that good feelings, who will create that good thoughts. And you can listen to your partner by meditating and praying and being silent with yourself. What's the reason, guys? I love here out in nature. That's the reason I love out in the nature, walking, contemplating my thoughts. I love it because that is the moment you are listening to your partner. It gives you and it responds to you. It says here, your partner will respond to you through your feelings, through your thoughts, that new ideas comes. You will be surprised that, for example, you have a problem, how to solve this problem. When you have that moment together with your partner, you are talking, you are talking, you are expressing it, because you have to express the words, and meditating. While meditating, they are working in us. They will answer what you need, because it says, ask and it shall be given unto you. But still remember, there's no lying. You must be authentic, real as a person you are, because we cannot lie our feelings. As I what always say, the truth, as what I said, the truth always comes out. So we must be real and authentic with ourselves. Accept it, embrace it, that we have a partner in this world. We are not alone. So I am encouraging you to notice, acknowledge it, listen, have the moment with yourself. Talk to your partner. I am talking with my young partner in this universe in the car while I am driving. Through your affirmation, you can speak it loud, your affirmation, the universe is listening to you. So guys, this is very powerful as they said, but we must believe that we are not alone in this earth and all these things we are doing here. It is very important that we are honest, we are authentic, we are accepting what is going on around us. We are taking that negative things happening to us into a positive thing. But you can do that when you are in a good state of mind, in good thoughts, in positive thoughts, which you are working with yourself. So guys, it must be goes on. Life must goes on. Although it is very difficult, sometimes it is not easy, guys. I am still struggling in this matter. And I hope you will do the same. To have that moment with yourself. Because life, it is what it is. But it always comes out. Honesty is the best policy in life. Life is amazing, but we are the one who will do it amazing in order to move forward to this life journey. You are not alone. We all have a partner to talk to in this universe God created for us. Again, guys, this is Yundel. I am sharing with you what I am reading, what I am working with myself because I am in struggle moving forward to my next journey. So guys, we can grow together, we can inspire each other, we can continue to help each other. I am forever grateful to each and every one of you visiting in my channel every day. Thank you so much, guys, and I love you all. I appreciate you all a lot. Bye-bye.